Hello guys, call me Hailey. If you're watching this, can you add me? Because I already add you. And I'm gonna show proof to you. Hailey, you're so good at YouTube and Lana Ray. And it's just Nicholas and Cake Mix. And Kat. And Zong and Zoe and all of the YouTubers. I'm gonna prove. And Gigi. Okay, I'm gonna show you all the YouTuber and Lina and Lana. Here's all the names. Memorize it. Okay, memorize all this game. Call me Hailey. Serena makes clothes and Lina does nails with only a on there, and Lana does nails with a there, and Gigi and has a, and Rubik's and Earthman. They're married. Call me Hailey and Earthman or Nathan. And I'm gonna show you proof. I'm gonna go to Roblox. Roblox. This is my tablet. I'm gonna open this here. I only have the password. And let's go to this on Roblox. Just wait for a few seconds and you see Gino sticker. Okay, let's wait. Okay, pindot the home and go this add friend, pindot, and you need to type all the YouTuber's name. First here, take A and go there. C A L and L me hey, dalawang H and one A and L E Y. Call me Hailey. And send. And just wait. Okay, just found Call me Hailey. And just found it. Okay, if you find this avatar and add him. And let's wait. And my name is Call me Hailey Pan. Here, Call me Hailey. If you see this, and just type Call me Hailey and Pan. And